Hey, it's day 2, and so I dug in a little more to Learn to Code 1 and went and played with spirals, and there were some neat things that I saw, so I really want to show you that. Spirals is a lot of fun. It really speaks to the math side of me, and I was seeing a lot of really neat and interesting things. So as you look, the radius here is 6, and the wheel radius is 1, and it gives you 6 spokes. But then if I change the radius to 2 and rerun it, it'll give me 3 spokes. And I started seeing the fractions pop up in there. And that was a lot of fun to just make that realization and be able to see the math happening, that you could do that. If I make the radius 3, I should get 2 spokes. And of course it gives me a line that bisects the circle. Again, a lot of neat things happening that we can see. I saw those same relationships happening when I moved it to the outside with the epicycloid. And then we could play with the numbers, and instead of using whole numbers and even fractions, I started thinking about the least common denominators and those common numbers between two numbers, and what would happen if I really got some strange numbers, and what would happen. And we can see that. It doesn't match up, and it's not actually in half, and you start to see it coming off, so there's going to be a really big number that's common between these. I also got to play with the draw speed, and that was really neat because I had a really nice line right here going through, and I got curious what would happen if I put the speed at 10, and what happened. And it looks a little jagged, so I was curious, could you go to 30? Again, at play. I got to try things out, and that's what we want from the kids, and see what happens.